Hello everyone, you are watching Data Analytics Professionals, and in this series, we are focusing on AWS and machine learning, and the current topic is basic concepts in machine learning algorithms. This is the lecture number 18 and given by myself, Shanaz Malik. I'm a data scientist. Now, machine learning algorithms are typically grouped either by learning style, that is to say, supervised learning, unsupervised learning, semi supervised learning, or by similarity in form or function, that is, classification, regression, decision tree, clustering, deep learning, etc. Regardless of learning style or function, all combinations of machine learning algorithms consist of the following: representation, evaluation, and optimization. And representation means a set of classifier or the language that computer understands, and the evaluation is about objective or scoring function, and optimization is a search method. Okay, and you'll come to know about all these when you go into advanced studies of machine learning, and then try to develop one of your own own machine learning, and present it in the international conferences. So let's move forward, because we are just talking about the concepts. So the three main components of learning algorithms, as I said, is representation. And have a look in representation column. I've given few examples, and then evaluation column. Few examples there, and optimization and few examples there. And not to I have to mention that gradient descent, one of the must learn. Okay, accuracy, precision, recalls. I show you all how we choose algorithms, and then how we work, how we evaluate those machine learning algorithms. It's all going to be fun, but all in future videos. This is just to show you that what we are going to learn in future videos. Okay, now remember, the fundamental goal of any machine learning algorithm is to generalize beyond the training sample, that is, successfully interpret data that it has never seen before. That's the fundamental goal, and you have to remember this. Now, bonus to this lecture is let's see a little bit about decision tree. What are decision trees and how they are going to help us? Let's consider that we have this data. Okay, so we have column, we have feature gender, and we have feature height, and this is a record 1 and this is record 2, and you can have dash 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 n records, doesn't matter. So this is a root node. So let's take first record of this data set. So first record gender, it's male, so it goes here. So it says male, so it goes this way. And then it says height is 1.7, so if it's less than 1.5 it goes here, but no, so it's 1.7. So this one goes here, it goes greater than 2 meters, but so this one is neither less neither greater, so this will go here. So we will come to know that this individual is medium size. And the same way the second record goes here, sees female, so it goes this way, checks the height 1.8, so the height is great. If it is greater than 1.8, then it goes here, but our is exact, so it goes here, because this one is not less than 1.3, so we'll say the female here is medium tall. Okay, so and you can have n numbers of records, and this decision tree will finally find if a female or a male is short, medium, or tall. Okay, this is the way it works. And the first top node is called root node. These are called branches. Okay, and this is called root node, this is called internal nodes. You might have more internal nodes, and these are called leaf nodes. Okay, these are called leaf node. So this is simple decision tree diagram just to show you that we will be doing more in future videos, so just stay tuned. Now please subscribe if you haven't until now, and please hit the notification bell so that you get notified as soon as I upload new videos. And you need to subscribe, you just need to click subscribe in the channel. For bell icon you will have this symbol, just hit this, and whenever I upload new videos you are going to get notified. And if you like, and that's when I feel happy that I'm doing a great job. Please like and share this video with your friends and colleagues, and leave your feedback in the comment section, as that helps me to know what I'm doing. And in the meanwhile, I thank you all for watching this channel, this series, and I hope to see you in next video. And remember, sharing is always caring. Thank you for watching Data Analytics Professional, and this is me, Shanaz Malik, saying you goodbye.